So the office of the CFO typically is the part of the business where efficiency matters, outcomes matter. There is an emphasis on sort of value-oriented thinking. And this is traditionally also the place where they've had to wrestle with issues like data quality, data literacy. Do we have the right access to the right data so that we can do our job? Right. So these are the kinds of considerations that dominate how work gets delivered in the office of the CFO. But there is a criticality to that element that is material. Most companies can't state their earnings if they can't get all of these transactions processed in time. You can't close a deal if you're not able to actually finish that customer contract, have that be on the books and get paid, right? So this is the critical part of the business where if this machine is functioning smoothly and efficiently, the entire part of the business can operate without friction. So there's a tremendous opportunity for people in the office of the CFO to be able to leverage ways to do the work that is correct, accurate, and repeatable every time. So these are the kinds of elements that we think are really important when you think of an agentic approach to automation.